Hi, my name is Heather O'Neill and this is Chris Newbecker, and we are here to talk about an amazing therapy that has improved the lives of thousands of people suffering from chronic pain and from chronic non-healing wounds. This is the Micro-Z Mini electrical stimulation unit. As you can see, it's very small, very lightweight and very simple to use. Now, if you're familiar with electrical stimulation, there are TENS units, neuromuscular units, bone stimulators. There are very different types of electrical stimulation. This is categorized as a TENS unit, but it is not your grandfather's TENS unit. It works very differently. A TENS unit will block pain, whereas this therapeutically reduces pain. This will increase microcirculation, decrease edema. I'm going to show you how to put in the battery. It uses a very simple AAA battery. You put the positive and you just pop it in like this, and then put the lid on. And as you can see in the back here, these are where we connect the snaps. The red is positive. So you want to put the red as you're facing the back of the unit towards the right, which is also towards the positive side of the battery. Now you want to snap it in towards the medial portion of the unit and slide it laterally. This can be a little tricky. Same with the other side. Put the black towards the negative side of the battery, the left side of the unit as you're looking at the unit. So you clip it in the middle, the center, push it in, and then slide it outwards. So you need to put a little bit of pressure on there. As you can see now, it's secure. To turn on the unit, you press the middle button. This is P1. Program 1 is a 30-minute treatment. Press it again, P2 is an 8-hour treatment. Now this will be discussed in more detail by your physician or your clinician, describing which treatment option would be best for you. But I just want to give you an overview of how to use the unit. Now this unit goes up to 100 volts, and you can increase it in increments of 5 volts. So as you can see, there's an up arrow and a down arrow. Starts at 5, and then we keep increasing it, and like I said, we can go up to 100. And then to decrease it, press the down arrow. We'll discuss in more detail during our fittings how to achieve your therapeutic level. Now, if you wait about 20 seconds, it will lock out, which means you cannot turn the unit on or off by accident. So after about 20 seconds, you will not be able to titrate up or down. Once you're done with the therapy, you press the middle button again. Now you can titrate up and down. To prevent you from accidentally turning off the unit during your treatment, you actually have to press the down arrow all the way to 0 for the unit to turn off. Also, I'd like to mention that if the battery is low, you will notice a blinking signal in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. So at that time, you'll want to go to your local convenience store, get a AAA battery. To take it out, of course, you take the back off, release the battery, and place a new one in. So the battery typically lasts about 2 to 4 weeks if you have an 8-hour treatment that you're using every day. Another thing to keep in mind is when this therapy is 20 minutes on and 40 minutes off during the 8-hour treatment. While the actual stimulation is off during that 40 minutes, you will not be able to titrate the therapy upwards because the therapy is actually off. So only during that 20 minutes while the therapy is on can you titrate it. And the way to know this is looking at the time when you started the therapy. If you started it at 7 o'clock, you'll know from 7 to 7:20 it's on, from 7:20 to 8 it's off. And then we keep going on each hour. For other frequently asked questions or ways to troubleshoot with your Micro-Z, please refer to the handout that you are given. Next, we're going to talk about the different types of garments that we have, the intelligent textiles for medicine.